Barber tips and tricks, 60 seconds. Let's go. Dark spot here. So try to do the fade the best that we could, but sometimes you still might end up with a few dark spots here and there. So we're going to use 3 to 4 teeth on your thinners, and then we're going to start chipping away at that little dark spot just like so. And then we're going to use our brush to brush it down and get rid of all the extra hairs as well. So stretch the skin out with your thumb. Check back, make sure that it's pretty good. A few little dark spots still. Just go back in and go over it again. 3 to 4 teeth only. So you can do this by going around in circles. You can do it going straight back and forth. Mainly you want to make sure that you don't cut like that, you cut like this. And that's it, guys. That's how you remove dark spots in a fade with your thinners.